Hi everyone, I'll be showing you how to open and close the spreadsheet application for Microsoft Excel. So just open and close the application, also how to open and close spreadsheets. There are ways to do this. The easiest part, if you have it on your desktop, you can just click on it and hit enter, or double click on it if you want, and it will open up. And the way you close it is you go up here and press the big X. Alternatively, there are other ways to do this, and you could go into your start menu, and if you have Excel up here you can click on that. You should also have Excel somewhere in your list. It may well be, well, it will be always with the E, but if you have more programs it will be further down the line. And alternatively, you can just type it in and say, you know, Excel, and you can click add open and it will just open it up. Slightly more advanced, probably if you know how to do this then you're not watching this video, but if you use your keyboard and on the keyboard you keep pressing the start button and R for run, you can just type in Excel and just enter and it will open up. And in terms of having a new workbook, and you can just click here on blank workbook or press enter at this screen. Depending on the version you have, this might look slightly differently. Older versions might just open up into a new workbook on their own, in which case you don't need to bother with this. But that's how you generally open a new workbook. If that's not really an option for you for whatever reason, or you just need to find any other way, you can always have a look in file, which brings you back here, and then you have the blank workbook here, or you can just go into new and then it gives you a whole bunch of other options. But generally if you're looking for a blank workbook, it will be in home and also in new. You can close a workbook by going, I'm just going to cancel out this one. You can do it a number of ways. One is you go into file and say close, so that closes the workbook, not the application. Or you can just use keyboard shortcuts and you can do Ctrl W and that will close it as well. You can also do Ctrl F4. Now, slightly more on the advanced things, but it's useful to know more keyboard shortcuts. If you want to start a new blank workbook, you can use Ctrl N for new, and then as I said, you can close it with Ctrl W, and you can close the whole application by pressing Alt F4 rather than Ctrl F4, which is, as I said, would be closing your individual workbooks. So that was part one. Next part is going to be this, so keep watching.